Peepoony. Hello, besties. Check out everything that I got. Look at these colorful chests. Now it's time to check them all out. Let's take a look and see what's inside. Shall we open the purple chest?
Wow.
It's a purple slimy sand.
Wow.
Shall we see what's inside this? Wow, it's a purple sea turtle. Sea turtle is an excellent swimmer. Tell me, Cactus, what do we call it?
It's a shell.
That's it. Turtles have shells. Anything else? Oh, look, it's an octopus. Tell me, Pipons, how many tentacles does an octopus have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. An octopus has 8 tentacles. That's it. Let's open the blue chest. Let's look for our sea animals. It's a seal. Seals are fast swimmers. It's a red chest. Let's open the red chest. Woo! Now, what's gonna be inside? It's a red turtle. The sea turtle have 4 flippers. I think we can find one more in here. Yes. It's a scorpio. Scorpions are very dangerous animals. Tell me, Cactus, how many pedipalps do scorpions have?
They have 2 very long pedipalps.
Alright, they have 2 pedipalps. Oh, there's another. It's a red octopus. It's a yellow chest. Shall we see what's inside this? Whoopsie! It's a yellow slimy sand. Starfish. Tell me, Pipons, how many arms does a starfish have? The starfish have 5 arms. The starfish walking on the beach. Anything else? Anything else? Check it out. Oh, look. It's a yellow crocodile. Now let's see what the crocodile says. The crocodile says. That's the last one. What's gonna be inside? Whee! It's a frog. Frog can jump so high. Anything else? Oh look, it's a crocodile. The crocodile have 4 short legs. Anything else? Anything else? Check it out. It's a sea turtle. We are going to swim together.